Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to download video from Facebook. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos like this. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply download an application. I will tell you. You will go to your Play Store and here is the FastVid. You will simply search for it. I will show you that how will you search it. FastVid. So here is there is a software called FastVid download for Facebook. So you have to download this in your phone first. Then when the FastVid is downloaded, you will simply go to the Facebook. So So here is the video and we want to download this video. You will simply tap on it and here at the top there are three dots. You will simply tap on the three dots over there and here you will copy the link of the video. You will simply copy it and now you will exit from the Facebook. Then you will open the app of FastVid. So here you will simply tap next and done. So if you here is the option of login as well. If you don't want to log in from this application, so you will simply tap on URL and here you will simply paste the video URL and you will simply tap on download. It will give you three options like you can watch it, you can download SD or you can download it HD in HD print. You will simply tap on HD and the video has been downloaded here. So we can play it. So the video has been downloaded. So this is the simple process of downloading any video from Facebook. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.